In this video, we will learn factors to be considered in departmentation. A suitable basis of departmentation is one which facilitates the performance of organizational functions efficiently and effectively so that the objectives of the organization are achieved. Since each basis is suitable to a particular type of organization, often a combination of various bases is adopted. ठीक है, जितने हम लोग बेसिस से पिछले लेक्चर्स में पढ़ चुके हैं वो एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के सुटेबल है, लेकिन जनरली बहुत सारे बेसिस को मिला करके अडॉप्ट किया जाता है. सो द डिपार्टमेंटेशन ऑफ suitability of departmentation basis should be considered in the light of various principles or factors affecting the functioning of an organization. These factors or principles are described as under. First factor is specialization. The activities of an organization should be grouped in such a way that it leads to specialization of work. Specialization helps to improve efficiency and ensure economy of operations. It enables the personnel to become expert. Second factor is coordination. Quite different activities may be grouped together under one executive because they need to be coordinated. So, the basis of departmentation should ensure that the dissimilar activities are put together in one department. Third is control. Departmentation should be such that it facilitates the measurement of performance and adoption of timely corrective action. It should enable the managers to hold the employees accountable for results. Effective control helps to achieve organizational objectives economically and efficiently. Fourth, proper attention. All the activities which contribute to the achievement of subordinate results should be given adequate attention. This will ensure that all necessary activities are performed and there is no unnecessary duplication of activities. Key areas should be given special attention. Fifth, economy. Creation of departments involves extra cost of additional space, equipment and personnel. So, the pattern and number of departments should be so decided that maximum possible economy is achieved in the utilization of physical facilities and personnel. Sixth one is local conditions. While forming departments, adequate attention to the local conditions should be given. This is more important to the organization which operates in different geographical areas. Departmentation should be adjusted according to the available resources. It should aim at full utilization of resources. Seventh, human consideration. Departmentation should also consider the human aspect in the organization. So, along with the technical factors discussed above, departments should be created on the basis of availability of personnel, their attitude, aspiration and value system, informal work groups, cultural patterns, etc. Due attention to the human factors will make departmentation more effective and more efficient. Okay, thank you.